Brother Sublimation Printer Review. Real results that surprised me.
Ever stare at your heat press, ready to launch your custom apparel side hustle, only to realize your printer just can't keep up? You're stuck between overpriced industrial machines and hobbyist models that choke on detailed designs? I've been there, watching deadlines slip because my equipment couldn't match my ambition. What's been your biggest printing roadblock? Drop it below. Picture this. A bulk order lands, the deadline is tight, and your printer starts streaking or jamming mid-run. Panic sets in. You're toggling between mediocre quality and glacial print speeds. Burning time you don't have. That stomach-churning stress and missing deadlines or delivering subpar work feels visceral. But what if you could print fast without sacrificing vibrant, sharp details?
Enter the Brother Sublimation Printer, a machine that's genuinely rewriting the script for custom creators and small print shops alike. Unlike generic converted printers, Brother brings legendary reliability to sublimation, with fast printing speeds that keep pace with your creative ideas, not your frustration. The Artspira app integration is a revelation. Import and save up to 20 printing images on the go, access over 100 ready-made sublimation designs, and convert photos into poster-style drawings without even opening a laptop. The vibrant color output rivals machines triple the investment, and Brother's Piezo electric printhead technology means fewer clogs, less downtime, and consistent quality from the first print to the 500th. Here's a quick story. A sports apparel decorator I know almost missed a championship team order deadline when his old printer choked mid-run. He switched to a Brother model mid-crisis, printed 80 jerseys in a single day with zero streaking, and delivered early. The team loved the color pop. He's never looked back. That's the real difference reliable speed and vivid detail make when pressure's on.
So what happens when you combine speed, color vibrancy, and Brother's rock-solid engineering? You unlock efficiency that reshapes your entire workflow. A print technology specialist observed, the color accuracy after proper ICC profile installation is remarkable. We've seen consistent results across thousands of prints with detail reproduction that's phenomenal. An industry analyst found that total cost of ownership is substantially lower than dedicated sublimation systems, with replacement inks averaging 40 to 60% less expensive. Meanwhile, a sublimation business influencer shared, the wireless printing feature is a game changer for workflow efficiency. I've expanded my product line because I trust the consistency between batches. Real users echo this enthusiasm. One decorator running 500-plus transfers monthly said, "Print quality is professional grade. Clients honestly can't tell the difference between our output and items produced on equipment costing 10 times more." I've personally watched small shops double their order capacity within weeks of switching, purely because downtime vanished and confidence soared. Worried about a learning curve? The Artspira app makes setup genuinely intuitive, and Brother's support reputation is legendary. See why thousands of creators can't stop talking about this machine. Curious what setup really looks like? Let me know if you want a walkthrough video. If you're ready to stop wrestling with inconsistent prints and start delivering the vibrant, professional work you're capable of, the Brother Sublimation Printer deserves a serious look. Join the creators already using Artspira integration and fast, reliable printing to scale their businesses and see real results. Whether you're launching your first custom apparel line or scaling an existing shop, this machine meets you where you are. Check out the link in the description to explore specs, pricing, and current availability. Your next breakthrough might be one click away.